don't know if y'all could hear it. That turkey gobbled over this ridge. No. He's not real far. I don't think as far as we think because there's so much foliage on the trees. I'm gonna ease up to this next ridge. See if we can get him to gobble again. Birds done hit a point where they're not gobbling much at all. So we're gonna try to get close. See if we can work him in. We've been flying down kind of late also. Right there. He's in this hardwood. Who would call him up through here? He's answering anyway. I'm good. I'll probably get out there on the hilltop. I was thinking they didn't like it. He might be coming. Hey, right there in the bottom. I can't. You need to swing around this way a little bit. I see. Straight down your gun barrel. That big tree right there in front of him. some jakes? Yeah, ain't no way that's a jake. Right there. That ain't a jake. I ain't never seen a super jake with a 1 inch beard. You? Huh? Hammer like that? I know. He needs it. Jakes, man. Look at necks. About 6 somewhere. I don't know, 6, they look like 8. Maybe I don't know. Well, they probably seen my, because I called to my right and I moved back. They probably seen them on my head. That's the one gobbling. Hey, never. It look like a bed of snakes coming up in that bed. Oh, that was fun. Yeah. We finally got on some gobbling birds, but they had beards that long. But man, they sounded like grown birds. Both two were. I know. I just wonder. That drumming could not have been. I just wonder if that's them birds. No, I'm talking about the ones we were hearing. Yeah. If that's them. Along here that way. That was in a bunch of jakes, right? Yeah. Might have been. I don't know, but we've heard some more. So we just got to make a move. Well, it looks like we got on a bunch of gobbling jakes this morning. I know there was super jakes. They gobbled like grown birds. I don't know, just senior skip day or something. The youngins were out playing. But the longbeards have shut up. Last 3 or 4 days, nearly a week, they just haven't been gobbling at all. Maybe once on the roost, hit the ground and quit. And they fly down late. It's getting late in the season. So I guess because they have shut up in the last 3 or 4 days, it gave those jakes, made them think it was okay for them to start gobbling. They were sure gobbling this morning. Hey guys, we didn't have any more luck on the hunt you just saw. What you call it a jake fest, I guess. But they were gobbling like grown birds. But we did go in there a few days later. Struck those jakes up, or what we thought was jakes. We didn't think they were jakes the day we got on them. I didn't have any footage of us striking these birds up and moving in on them. I don't know if I didn't hit record, had a malfunction, or what. But again, we were having a slow day, slow morning, birds not gobbling, just slow. So we just went in to just play with these jakes and get some video footage of them. Just we were bored and we wanted to play, but it happens real quick. We almost didn't get set up good. So here it is. I hope y'all enjoy it. Taking my safety off. There he is, straight in front of your barrel, straight. There's all them jakes, here they come. camera can see it. He's seen me. Oh, I hope I got that on camera. I had to. Is it Jake? Golly. He saw me I had to wear these to see my camera, but I can't shoot with them. And I had to pull my glasses down, and he saw me do it. Really? You reckon that wasn't was that not the strutter?
Yeah.
That was one strut?
I can tell by the color of his head. I could have killed him dead.
He was white-headed when he come up through there.
Yeah, I mean, I could have killed him dead right away, and I wasn't shooting him because I couldn't see his beard.
Oh, I thought you said it.
I said, he's got to be a long-bearded strut.
Well, his head was white as snow.
Mm-hmm. Wait a minute. That's a full fan.
He's a damn long beard. He's a long beard.
I seen it when I come down here. He was on his side.
Like I said, I had my glasses. I had pushed them up because I was over your shoulder and I wasn't going to shoot. So I had them glasses up where I could just keep an eye on my camera. And then I forgot. And you said he's on your side, shoot him. So I reached for, and I couldn't even see my dot. It was so blurry. It was so blurry because these are just readers. So I reached up and slid them things down on my nose, and he did this. I hope he wasn't behind that tree from the camera. That's a big old bird.
He was. And we almost didn't fool with him.
I know. I told you I hated to be a longbeard in there with him. Man, look at the size of his fan. That's a big bird. Pretty good hooks on him. There's been a bunch of jakes in here. We caught them up 3 days ago, I think, 2 or 3 days ago. And we just assumed they were still jakes. But we almost didn't even mess with them. We were just gonna call those jakes up to video them. I thought you was gonna shoot him. You could have shot him at one time. He was right there 30 yards.
Oh, I could have killed him dead. But I couldn't see his beard.
Get that bug off my head. Get that off.
Get that bug off me.
Ain't no bug on here. It was in my ear. Oh.
I could see his fan. I could tell it. That's what I was talking about. It's a long beard because his fan.
I said, I don't know. Got the camera all crazy here. Chasing a bug in my ear. Well, I told you I don't know if you heard me. I said he had a full fan.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's long beard because he's got a full fan. But I couldn't see it. I wasn't 100% because when he blew his fan up to me, he was sideways.
Well, I walked up here and I looked at this fan. You know, I said, wait a minute, there's no long feathers in the middle.
I was wondering if he was gonna catch that.
Oh, it's a 3-year-old. Yeah. When they crane up, you know, they just have a different presence, a different arrogance about them. He's a pretty good bird.
Herders.
Herders. 2 3/4 baby shell. I'll tell you what.
That wore him out though.
It did. It's been a long time since I shot a turkey with a 2 3/4 inch. That tells my age right there, ain't it? You shot a turkey with a 2 3/4 inch.
That's a pretty good little shot.
Yeah.
He was gonna come out. I wondered about that. I didn't see that turkey behind him, but
I didn't either. Well, there was 3 of them. We didn't know it, and that third one. Because the other 2 were under this hill here. I didn't even see him come over the hill. I mean, you could see him. We saw him coming 80 yards.
Coming real quick.
And we was playing.
Yeah.
Wasn't even serious. We were hid good though, because we took those tops and put.
Just about too much time.
Yeah.